Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to cut out jigs using mild steel. We make a lot of custom jigs, not only for ourselves here in the shop using various materials, but we also make a whole bunch for other people in their workshops. In this case here, we have Washington State and we have Ohio. I know the orientation's wrong, it's just easier to hold it this way. And what they do is, let me just grab this here. So you got Washington. So what you do is you put this on a piece of wood and you have your palm router, and you can just follow this on the inside to cut out the area and the outside. So you can make a lot of really cool signage and gifts really quickly using this method versus having us use our CNC to do the same process. The advantage with doing it by hand is that you pay for this jig once and you can literally use it a million times. It's mild steel, 12 gauge, which is roughly 1/8 or 3 millimeters. And it's pretty much bulletproof. We have customers who've been using these things for years, and they just order more jigs, different jigs, not the same jigs we made before, which means that they're still making money from the jigs we made previously, and they're working so well, they need more. Now, what are your material options when it comes to jigs? Me personally here in the shop, most of the jigs I use are actually made out of MDF, usually 1/8. And the reason for that is cheap, it's effective, and for most of my runs, it's definitely overkill. Most of my jigs for my machines are generally for the laser, which is a non-contact method. And that's why metal is important if you're using power tools. Because unlike my laser, you're actually rubbing against the edge here. So you need a nice clean edge, which hopefully this works, and the light just went out. So you have a nice clean edge to work from with your router, which means it's not jerky, and you can actually do several passes. So you do the first one sort of roughly, and then you do the other one really nice and clean along the edge. Now we use MDF just because it's non-contact, but as soon as you have something that's contact, you got to worry about it wearing out, and you're not wearing this out. This has a 1-inch spacing here. So again, everything's really well built, and you can just hang this on the wall when you don't need it. So if you're looking for custom jigs, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make them for you and ship them right to your door.